Hello everyone!
So we're here today to talk about our newest pattern, the Lilian Blouse, which the mannequin is wearing beautifully. Rosie is wearing beautifully. I am wearing beautifully. So the Lilian Blouse, if I just step forward to show you a little bit more detail, so you can see it's got this really beautiful collar, which is a little bit vintage. You know I love a little bit vintage. And there is a version that makes it fitted. So if you love a fitted shirt, certainly to wear it out and not, or maybe even tucked in, then this is really lovely for that. It's got different sleeve options, 3/4, long with a little cuff, and then Rosie's actually got a short sleeve on. So trans-seasonal, is that the word? Trans-seasonal?
Yeah.
But Rosie's version is boxy, so if you didn't want to have that fitted vintagey look, you could also make it boxy.
Yes, yeah, just by, so you've got the fisheye darts in the front and the back, and it's actually the same pattern pieces, and just by not sewing in those darts, it kind of transforms it into a completely different blouse.
So we were talking about it earlier, and it is a little bit, the boxy version is a bit like Libby, but it's a Libby, you know, it's not Libby because it's got a different collar, but it's also longer. I think often a lot of people go, oh, I love Libby, but it's too short. This is a bit longer, so you can wear it out and not worry that you're going to have midriff showing. So yeah, and also Libby is not available in the extended size range, which this of course is sizes 6 to 30. I'm going to tuck this in because I want you to see
the look.
Yeah, see the look. I mean, obviously I'm wearing it with jeans, so that's not very vintage. But I think it would look lovely with our pencil skirt or ultimate trousers tucked in. The Rita trousers from the Vintage Jean
that
book.
would be so nice.
That would look really nice. And because the sleeve is narrow, it's not too bulky. It looks great with a cardigan. I haven't got a good cardigan, but I'm tempted to put that on. I am going to do a styling video, so you'll be able to see. Whilst I'm doing this, Rosie, what else have I not talked about?
Fabrics for Lilian. So Lilian's perfect for for viscoses and crepes. We've also seen some versions pop up in really soft cotton lawn, which works perfectly for the fitted version, because if you get those fisheye darts super smooth and beautifully pressed, it looks so satisfying.
And it's easy to work with as well.
Yes, exactly.
So if you're a beginner, we'd say this is an intermediate pattern, but the way to make an intermediate pattern more beginner friendly is to use cotton lawn.
That's it. And essentially the only sort of the trickier part is the collar, getting that collar nice and crisp, but we have got help with that on Stitch School. So we've done a tutorial specifically for sewing the collar, and actually we're also going to be doing a sew along.
Yes,
so
next week I'll be doing a sew along.
Blouse will be covered in the sew along.
Yeah, pressure on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll do the sew along, so you'll be able to see more of that. But yeah, she's a really lovely, we like to do a blouse around this time of year, don't we? Because I think, you know, obviously dresses are great, but separates at this time of year are really key because they're great for layering. So when it's cold and, you know, and you want to still feel like you're making an effort.
Yeah,
but,
exactly.
You know, you can still wear it with your jeans or something more casual if you want to, and with a cardigan. I'm going to wear it with dungarees. I really think
I think that'll really work.
I think it will look really nice with dungarees.
Maybe it's like sort of land girl vibe going on, which I
quite like a land girl vibe. I think I'm going to have to wear it with dungarees and a hair tie. Yeah, of course. So yeah, watch out for that. I'll try and add that look into the styling reel that I'm going to do. So hashtags.
Hashtag, if you're going to share Lilian or you want to have a little look at what other people have made, use the hashtag SOI Lilian Blouse, and Lilian's got one L in the middle. Important.
Okay. And we've talked about fabrics. Is there anything we have missed?
I don't think
so.
No,
I think that's everything. So yeah, it's also worth having a look on Instagram under the hashtag, because our lovely pattern insiders will have already populated it probably. So you can already see some other ideas, and I do think that is the best way of kind of deciding about a pattern. If you can't kind of say, you know, maybe you've seen the version here that you really like, but maybe you want to see a few more that, you know, a bit more your style. Have a look at the hashtag, see what other people have done with it, what fabrics they chose, how they're styling it, how they're wearing it, and probably you'll find a version that you feel like is really you and inspires you to get sewing. Fab. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this, and we will see you very soon. I'll see you for the sew along next week. Bye.